Welcome to the vlog. This is Charlie, my Type 25 1984 water-cooled camper van, and he underwent a complete restoration, partly because I needed a load of welding doing underneath, and I thought, why not? Let's just do the whole thing. So it's been a labour of love, definitely. We started by putting this sheep's wool in, and it's just a natural insulation. So it's going to keep it warm, and hopefully it will stop some of the noise as well. And it took a while getting all of that done, but we've put that everywhere. And something else that I've done is use this silver stuff, as you can see. And I got that from Wix. It's called Thermowrap, and it's £26 a roll. We found it fantastic for just covering and sealing the wool insulation. Really important, of course, the brakes have had a complete refit. And yeah, it's been great to help as much as I can, but without getting in the way. So that's all been sorted, and the interior is on its way. And by the interior, I mean the kitchen unit that we've ordered. I'm going to do something a bit different with it. So yeah, make sure you subscribe to follow this restoration to the end. As you can see, things are starting to take shape. The Thermowrap is on. It's just great for keeping all the insulation in place. And yeah, that's all done. As you can see, the tailgate's all done. And this is Evo Design. This is the kitchen unit that we ordered. It arrived absolutely fine, no problems at all. And we just had to build it up. What do you think of the colour? I just really liked the design of this as well. That's the kind of light blue that it's going to be, and that's the top of the unit. Charlie's looking great. I love him. I've had him since 2007, and this is the first time that we've undertaken a restoration like this. That's the door which goes onto the unit as well. I just like that basic colour. Let me know what you think of the kitchen unit. And in the back, we've covered the engine bay with some grey carpet, and it just looks really cool. I really like it. And then at the front, where you've got the two battery compartments, we've gone over that in some black material to kind of just go with everything. Now, what do you think of the floor? It took me so long to find the floor. I just didn't know what to put in it. And then I saw that and I thought, yeah, that's absolutely what I need for the van. This is how the camper van is getting on at the moment, what we've done to it. And yeah, it's looking really good. We've got the panels all covered. They're ready to go on the panels at the back. So we've just had a bit of a fit to try that. Sadly, over the summer, with my spinal cord injury, I can't help Pete as much as I was going to. So the van isn't as far finished as it would have been. But, you know, it's one of those things. Pete's doing an amazing job, and it's looking really, really good.
A couple of hooks there, so it'll go behind. And hold it at the bottom.
There, Pete's just showing me where the control panel's going to go, and you can see that the window frames are now fitted. We've just had to take out the kitchen unit while we've done that, and Pete's been doing all the wiring, so that's all new as well. And the rock and roll bed has arrived, so that's going to be in very soon. So it's getting there, guys. Yeah, Charlie is nearly there. And then we can start going on adventures, travel adventures with him, which will be incredible. Obviously, I'll be vlogging that as well. So if you'd like to follow this restoration, please drop a subscribe. That'd be awesome. There'll be another video out on Friday.